If something should come between us, I promise I will stay. Even when we're treading water and the colors seem to fade, you know the truth of it is I was scared to move forward. But now that I've made my way in, I will not turn around. Everything I am, through the bitter and the sweet, every word I said is a promise I will keep. Because everything I have belongs to you.
Like a painting by Van Gogh, starry nights and bright sunflowers follow you where you may go. Oh, I've loved
and oh, her eyes drink the world in one shot at a time. Was so wrong, feels so right. Come see.